What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So how to turn on the airport mode? Just click on the you can use your finger for the drop down for the notification menu, and then you will see a icon in the middle, airport mode. Now the airplane mode is on, everything is like switch off, all of the data Wi-Fi switch off. That's how you switch on the airplane mode, to be honest with you. Okay, airplane, yeah. So as you can see, it's on right now. The airplane mode is on right now. So this is how you set it. It was me, Gmagic. Subscribe. Bye.